Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. Right now I'm just gonna put my hair into a low bun to get it out my face. First, what I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. I'm gonna be using this Jouer concealer. Zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I wet my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend this out on my eye. This is like the biggest beauty blender ever, but it's the only clean one I have. So I'm gonna show you the inspo I'm going with for this look. Here it is. This is the inspo I'm going for this look. It's a nice lavender purple look. I'm not gonna set the eyelid. I'm gonna leave it like that. I have 3 palettes here. I have the James Charles palette, Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and the Morphe 35B palette. And the reason I have all these palettes is because in each of them there's like a different shade of purple. So I only really wanted 2 shades of purple because she did only use 2 shades of purple. I'm trying to see which one I'm going to use. So I definitely want to use this dark purple for the lower lash line in the James Charles palette. And I'm debating which purple to use. Either the lavender purple right here in this palette or the lavender purple in this palette. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to use the lavender purple right here. To do that, I'm taking actually a really big fluffy brush. It's like almost the size of my eyelid. I'm just packing it all in like that. So let's start with this eye. I did not set this. This is still tacky. I just want it to stay tacky. This is like the size of my eyelid, so I don't really have to go blending anywhere. It's just staying in one, like on the eyelid. So this is kind of the goal of how I want it to look. I just want it to be really pigmented. I'm going in with a much more smaller blending brush. This is the Alamar Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have a name on it, so we're going to just leave it like that. And then I'm going to be going into with this lavender shade right here in the Take Me to Brazil palette. So with this one, I'm just going to be applying it right over that color, but just blending it out a little bit more. Okay, so I do want it a lot more pigmented, so I'm going in with the James Charles palette and just tapping a little bit into this light purple right here. It's not the lavender color I wanted, but maybe if we mix it in a little with the other colors, it'll work good. Right now I'm just dusting that shade onto the lid, barely blending it. Okay, this is good. I like how this looks. It's not too much, it's not too little. This is perfect. But what I'm going to do, because it looked like on the picture she kind of had eyeshadow right here on her brow bone and I have it empty here. So it looks a little dark because of skin tone. It's like my skin tone. So I'm going to add a little bit of a pearly white to it. And right here on the bottom of the Take Me to Brazil palette, there are these 2 whites. This one's more on the chromatic look. I don't even know. This is more pearly than this one, I guess you could say. So I'm just taking a Wet n Wild brush and I'm going to blend that into the brow bone. This is definitely the most easiest eye look on earth. Okay, I'm going to leave that for the eyes for now, and I'm going to start doing my face. For this process, I'm going to speed it up a little bit just because I do the same thing all the time. So if you want to know how I do my face, you can go back to the other videos I have posted on my channel, and you'll see the same thing. Same thing, same process, same product, same order, everything. Period. I'm kidding. So I'm just going to speed this process up really quick. Okay, so I quickly just put my hair up, half down, and I crimped it a little bit, and it didn't go how I wanted it to, but this will do. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this quick little eye tutorial. Okay, I can't find her Instagram, but this is the only picture I have for it. I just got it off of Google. Literally just put Lavender Eye looks, and that's where I got it. But I tried finding who it was from, and I can't find it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll leave like a little tiny head thing right here. And don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!